Hello, my name is Izereen. I'm the project manager here in Merapoh Rainforest Station. We are located in the middle of Titiwangsa Range to the west and Taman Negara to the east. So the project is split to two sides, the conservation part and also the community part. Malaysia is home to some truly unique wildlife, from tigers, elephants, tapis, pangolin, a lot of birds such as hornbills, owls, eagles, a lot of primates, and the list goes on and on. Sadly, this wildlife, which some are endemic to Malaysia, are under constant threat, be it illegal logging, poaching, and also mining. So here in Merapoh, we are trying to make a difference to that. Every week, we conduct at least 3 eco-treks through the rainforest where we try to look out for animal signs and also signs of poaching such as bullets and snares. Our hope is to inspire people to care about nature through their own personal experience. Our guides through the forest are members of the Batek tribe. They are the fond of our jungle knowledge where they help us to identify plant species, track animal footprints and droppings, and they give us an opportunity to learn from people who knows the jungle best. So the Batek tribe is the indigenous people of Malaysia, or in Malay we call them as Orang Asli, which directly translated as original people. They are semi-nomadic, but now they have settled in a permanent village. However, they still go out into the jungle for days and weeks at a time. Every day, we go to the village to teach them Bahasa Malaysia, science and maths. These kids don't go to public school, so by offering them an opportunity to learn, if they want to, we could give them a chance in this ever-changing world we and they might live in the future. As Malaysia becomes more developed, their lifestyle ages closer to extinction and they will increasingly need different sets of skills. But also, we want to give them the confidence to be proud of who they are. They are the Batek, the forest guardians. Once a week, we go out camping with the Bidan. The Bidan are the village elders and have a lot of respect within the community. They teach us how to make fire, build shelters, cook in bamboo, and have a lot of wisdom about the jungle. It is truly inspirational to see them interact with nature, and it's always an honor to work with them. We also help support local companies such as SGI, who are a caving company. Every week, we go out to few of the local cave to explore the beauty and learn about the uniqueness and why is it so important to conserve them. Each Thursday, we take part in Malay dinner. This is an opportunity for us to exchange culture, to give some extra income to the residents of Merapoh, and of course, eat some delicious food. If you want to help make a difference to the wildlife and Batek community in Malaysia, check out our website and be part of the change. Thank you.